So guys, I am back now with my jewelry case that I pack. This I recently got from Amazon. Like everything that I get is from Amazon. But I just wanted to show you how cool this thing is. So I saw a lot of bloggers. I've been seeing this all over the place. I needed to get this, and I'm so happy that I did because I love it. It is the best thing that I ever got. I'm pretty sure it was like $12. Yeah, it was literally so cheap. It was ridiculous. And it is one of the best things I've ever bought. So, I just wanted to show you all the things, but this is just all my jewelry and the layout of it. So basically, before I pack it, I wanted to show you how I pack it. So I have my watch, and I have like my KJP bracelets that I want to pack. I kind of pack, no, what do you mean I know I pack around like my outfits, and I packed the jewelry that will go with the outfits, and I kind of go with like whether it's silver or gold, and right now I feel like gold goes the best with most of my outfits. I don't think that I'm going to wear any silver at all on this trip. So I packed all gold jewelry and all stuff that's kind of, I don't know, wearable with all of the outfits that I have. So what I have here is like my bracelets. All my bracelets are going to go into this little zipper compartment. So I only packed 2 necklaces, but a little trick I learned was to pack necklaces that look like double necklaces, which this one I got from Charming Charlie's. Love this. It's so cute. It's got a little pearl on it. And so this one has so many, like it's got 3 or 4 different chains on there, so it kind of looks like multiple necklaces. And I feel like you can totally dress this up or dress it down. And it's got the little snap, so you just snap it in there. And then this one is just a pearl one. This is more for like a fancier type of thing. I don't know. And then this side has my earrings on here. These I got from Charming Charlie's, and I love this thing because you can put your earrings in with the backs and you don't have to worry about losing them because they're all in here. And then I have these because these don't, like, I don't know, with the clips they don't work with this, so I just hook them on here, and then when I'm done I'll show you, and I put this elastic around there so they don't move around. Love this little ring thing. I wasn't sure because I wear a size 5 on my ring finger, so I wasn't sure if my small like rings were gonna fit on this, but they do, and I'm so psyched that it does because it's just awesome. And it kind of gives you a little space. I don't know if this was like a mistake, but it gives you a little bit of space here so that like if you can't fully get it on, like it just sits right there. So that's really cool. And then here I'm probably, I don't know, last time I had like my watch in here, so I might separate my watch just so like the face doesn't get scratched from the other bracelets and keep that in there. But yeah, so this, I love, love, love this. So I will show you what it looks like when I'm completely done packing it. So I am completely done packing this jewelry case, and I have everything nice and secure. Love, love, love this. And it has a little handle if you want to just carry it on its own. So I am going to zip this up, and I'll start to show you my packing cubes. This is so hard to do one-handed. Okay. So for my packing cubes, don't mind my tea, sorry. I kind of separate it. You can kind of organize them however you want, but I like to kind of keep them in like categories. So this right here is the bigger, like medium-sized packing cube that I got. They come in different, like different brands have different sizes and different, like, I don't know, you can get different packing cubes in different sizes all on Amazon. I just got this black one because I liked that it has this mesh so you can kind of see what's in it. So in this one I have my fancier outfits that I was showing you. I have my dress, like my nicer tops that I can wear out during the day, but I could also wear out to dinner. And I packed different ones because, I don't know, I'm crazy and I really am very indecisive on what I want to wear. And I know it's only like literally 2 days I'll be there, but I'll probably change my outfit like twice. It's ridiculous, but anyways, that's besides the point. I like to have a variety, and so I'm not like stuck wearing one outfit if I'm not feeling it. Because you know how you feel like, I don't know, I'm gonna ramble, but like, you know how you feel like, oh, like I want to wear this, then you try it on and you feel fat. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but sometimes I feel like that in certain outfits, and especially because I didn't try these on at all since last summer, so we'll see. And this one I have, this is my outfit that I am definitely going to wear to the baseball game. I'm like 99% sure I'm going to wear this. Another thing I like to do is, now this is like getting, so I'll tie like a hair elastic, because I always wear a belt with my pants because I feel like no jeans or pants fit my waist perfectly. So I always need a belt, but I have this belt and I got it from Marshall's, but I always use a hair elastic to tie it so that one, it keeps it together like this, and two, I always forget hair elastics and I always need them. So if you ever do that, just know like this is how I travel with them. So yeah, I have my outfit there. I actually have to throw on my white jeans, but they're in the wash right now, so I have to wait. But I'm going to pack those, and then I usually pack my pajamas separately, but since it is a short trip, I just threw them in with my outfit that I know I'm going to wear, because usually I would have packed like this with all that stuff, but I don't know. I just decided to pack them all in one thing because this is going to be in the evening, and then I'm going to put on pajamas later on. I don't know. It just felt right. So that is what is in this cube. And then in my last cube, I'm going to put like underwear and all that stuff, but like you guys don't need to see that, so I'm not going to show it to you. And then for other stuff, I'm going to pack my makeup, but that actually, I left my makeup case on the boat, so I'll probably just take a picture or show it to you. It's another thing that I got on Amazon, and it's great because I travel with a ton of makeup. So, yeah. I also forgot my caddy on the boat too, which I carry all my shampoo. So when I go down Friday, it's perfect. I'm going to pick all that stuff up, get it. It's already filled with all of my like shampoo and stuff. So I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. It's all going to be in there when I get to the boat. So that'll be perfect. I actually could show you my sister's. I bought my sister one that looks just like it, just in a different color. So maybe I'll get that and I'll just show you guys, just so you know what it looks like in case I don't put it in this video. A quick side note, I just went to grab what my little travel caddy looks like that I'm going to pack my shampoos in. This is my sister's that I bought her on Amazon. This was, I don't know how much it was, but it really, honestly, all the stuff was probably under $10 except the packing cubes. Those were like $15, but 100% worth it. It's really not that expensive, and especially if you go on like weekend trips or like, I don't know, I just feel like it's super convenient. Like, everybody travels at some point, whether you're doing a sleepover or whatever. It's just totally worth the money, especially if you pack a lot of outfits and you're a slob when it comes to packing, which I used to be until I got the packing cubes. So this is what my travel caddy looks like. Mine's just gray, and I love it because it hangs up. I usually just put my products into like smaller containers so that I don't have to take the full product. But what I think is really cool is that not only is it mesh, so it's breathable. If you get it wet, it can dry, but it's mildew proof, so it won't like get mold or anything in there. So it's really good. It's really clean. It's water resistant. I don't think it's waterproof because I wouldn't like drench this in the water, but it is water resistant. But anyways, I love the color that it came in. Like, this color is so cute. And then it comes in like a bunch of other colors if you don't like this one, but I like this one for my sister. Well, this is my second choice, so I just got her one. But anyways, yeah, it velcros. This also has like a handle here so you can carry it. Very convenient, and then you just slip it in your bag. Perfect, and you're ready to go. So yeah, that is what my travel caddy looks like. Jack Rogers. This door doesn't stay open. Yes, Lily Pulitzer. And then I don't know what these shorts are. This is just great. I'm gonna go in the closet. That's my sister in the bathroom. Yep, this is the look.